Hi everyone, I'm Jessica Taff from Global Health Out Loud, and this week in Global Health. Today I'm excited to tell you about a new Global Health documentary series that will be airing on public television on March 31st. Global Health Frontiers is a news magazine-style show featuring 3 separate global health stories in each of their 1-hour episodes. The show is filmed and covers issues all around the world, including hot topics like GMO foods, big tobacco, childhood immunizations, mosquito-borne diseases, and newly infectious emerging diseases and outbreaks. I have to say, what I like about this show from what I've seen so far is that it really delves into the stories and covers a range of perspectives about each story. The science, the people that are affected by the health issue, or those that are responding to it. And it also gets into the political, social, and public health challenges and successes that are associated with each of these stories. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's have a look at a short clip, and hopefully this gets you just as excited for the series as I am.
It is a defining challenge of our time. Bringing modern medicine to hundreds of millions suffering from preventable and treatable diseases and conditions of poverty. Eliminating infections in many areas and tracking the sources of deadly global pandemics. With new advances in resources, science, and skills, pioneers on the frontiers of global health offer hope for healthy, productive lives. These are their stories.
Now, that's an abbreviated version of the sizzle reel that the producers of the show, Cielo Global Health Media, sent to Twig. But if you want to see the full promo video, that'll be available on our website and on theirs. Now, if this clip got you just as excited for the series as I was when I first saw it, you don't have to wait that long. On March 31st at 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this show will air on public television's World Channel with encore episodes that will go on later that night and through the weekend. So you'll definitely want to check your local listings for the specific details on that. And the next 3 episodes will air on a similar schedule in the following weeks. And I have to say, I'm particularly looking forward to this week's episode called Virus Hunters, Child Immunizations, Island Fever. You probably know why, because this girl loves some infectious diseases stuff. But if you're not like me, you might need a little convincing on how cool this episode is going to be. So maybe this clip on chikungunya will help.
Mosquito control is not the sole responsibility of the Ministry of Health. It has to be a collective effort.
And there's a lot of mosquito breeding in here. If you can get the camera close, you do not have to, what I'm saying.
Whenever we find Aedes aegypti mosquito in a compound, no negotiate.
This notice,
You're given 7 days. After 7 days, if you did not comply, you will be taken to court and you'll have to pay a fine.
Now, the clip that I showed you, it comes from an episode that also features EcoHealth Alliance talking about the search for emerging infectious viruses from animals like bats and chickens and a polio immunization campaign in India. But I'll leave you with just that, because I'm sure you'll catch the show this week, as we will be at Twig. And if not, you can always find the videos on Global Health Frontiers website, and then you can watch them later. I also want to mention that Twig will be discussing these episodes and issues on our own show. So if you have comments or questions from the episode, please send them to us through our website. We'll have a separate place where you can send in your questions and where we will feature the Global Health Frontiers information and our coverage of it. And so send us your comments, questions, and we'll do our best to address them when we discuss these episodes. Well, that's it for now. I hope you got excited for the Global Health Frontiers series. Watch the first episode on March 31st at 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. on public television's World Channel, and catch more clips on the Global Health Frontiers website. Also, please let Twig know what you think about the series through our website, and we will touch back later on all of this. Bye for now.